You finished your degree in Germany, now you want a job, but your CV, wrong format, that means straight to the bin. The German CV is called Lebenslauf. It's completely different from what you're used to do back home. Different structure, different rules, and different expectations from the German HR. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one from the complete blank page using a free tool I built specifically for this. No Word, no Canva, no template you have to pay for. Just open it in your browser and start filling your CV. Here's what we'll cover: how to fill in your personal details in the German way, how you write your work experience and education, and how to download a clean PDF with your name as watermark ready to send to any German employer. Watch the complete video until end. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can download this tool to build your resumes. Welcome back to Deutschland Verstehen mit Ram. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get started. This is the tool, completely blank. On the left, the editor panel where you will fill everything in. On the right, a live preview of your CV that updates as you type. Everything you see here runs directly in your browser. No internet needed after you download it. First, see this toggle in the top right? You can switch between German and English labels. If your German isn't perfect yet, switch to English. All the field labels and section headings change instantly. For this video, we'll keep it in German because that's what your employer wants to see and also most of the German HRs would expect from you. Now the photo. In Germany, a professional headshot on your CV is expected. Click the circle to upload yours. Plain background, good lighting, business casual. Not a selfie, not a holiday photo. Now let's fill in the personal details. This is one of the biggest difference between a German CV and what you might be used to do back at home. Your full name. This is your personal brand. Big and bold at the top, make it clear. Date of birth, nationality, gender. Yes, German CV include this. This is completely normal here, so don't skip them. Then your phone number, always include the country code because you live in Europe, so sometimes it can also be a number from Austria or Netherlands or any other country. A professional email address, first name, last name is ideal for this email address. And your LinkedIn, this matters more and more in Germany. Recruiters will check your LinkedIn. Your address, city is enough. You don't need a full street if you're not comfortable sharing it with the HRs. Now, the professional summary. 3 to 5 sentences. Think of it as your elevator pitch in writing. What you do, how many years of experience, what makes you valuable for this position. Keep it specific, keep it confident. No, I'm hardworking team player who loves challenges. That tells them nothing. Do you see this button? B, I, U underline. You can bold your key skills, italicize job titles, underline anything important. Select the text, click B, and it's done. It's bold. German CVs use bold to draw the eye to the most important information. Use it, but don't overdo it. Work experience. This is the heart of your CV. Click the Add button to add a new position. Job title, be precise, company name and the city, dates, month and year, always month first and then year. The most recent job goes first, always. Now the bullet points. Don't just describe what you did, Tell them the impact. Led a team of 8 developers in specific, reduced deployment by 65%, even better. Numbers, results, outcomes, that's what gets you the interview. Add as many jobs as you need. For fresh graduates, include internships, student jobs, university projects, everything counts. Click add again for each new position. Education. Most recent degree first, the degree name, the university, dates, and your grade. In Germany, 1 is the best, 4 is passing. If your grade is strong, make sure it's visible. If you did a thesis, add the topic if it's relevant to the job. Certifications. List anything official. AWS, Scrum Master, language certificates, all of it. For skills, split them by category. Technical skills, software, tools, soft skills, keep those very short. Languages. Use these German levels. Muttersprache for native, for Handlungssicher, for business fluent, sehr gute Kenntnisse for very good German, gute Kenntnisse for good. Be honest, if you say C1 German and can't hold a conversation, that interview will be very uncomfortable. And now the final step. Scroll to the bottom of the sidebar, hit this button PDF mit Wasserzeichen generieren, generate a PDF with watermark. One click, your name is automatically backed in as watermark on every page. The file downloads as your name underscore cv.pdf, ready to attach and send it to the HRs. And that's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to build a professional German CV from the scratch using a completely free tool. If this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel to reach more students like you. And please subscribe. I post new videos every week about jobs, career, and life in Germany. Now, to get the free CV Editor HTML tool, step 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Step 2, DM me the link of this video on my Instagram, then I will personally send you the HTML file. No sign up, no email, no cost. The link to my Instagram is in the description below. Good luck with your job applications. See you in the next video. Choose.